Do you love upgrading or getting your hands on new gadgets? Do you shop around for new gadgets whenever possible? Have you ever felt stressed trying to find new gadgets? In recent years, we've seen innumerable tech gadgets varying from smart glasses to smart wallets. Finding the coolest ones isn't easy with so many amazing tech accessories surrounding us. Therefore, to help you out, we present you with a list of men's coolest gadgets and accessories. Number 1. Evo Shaver, the world's smallest travel shaver. Are you always on the move? This widget is for you. Evo Shaver is an ultra portable travel shaver that can charge through USB-C. The Evo Shaver is one of the most diminutive travel shavers in demand. You will love this portative shaver due to its size. You can keep it in your backpack, pocket or handbag and take it with you. It is emphatic and quick due to the 6,000 RPM motor. You can fetch a smooth shave each time because it features a slim blade net for a closer shave. This travel shaver offers you up to 1.5 times more swiftness and power when you compare it to different shavers. The Evo Men's Shaver will provide you a service for up to 90 minutes on a single charge. Number 2. Ember Mug 2, temperature controlled smart mug. Regarding relishing your favorite hot beverage, there's nothing like having an Ember Smart Mug 2. This ingenious mug holds your drink at the ideal temperature from the first sip to the last drop so you can savor every moment. You can directly use your phone to choose the temperature of your beverage. The Ember Mug 2 even features a customizable LED glow. You can adjust the color to fit your style. This mug will keep your drink hot for up to 1.5 hours on a single charge. With one ping cue, you'll know when your cup is running out of juice so you can put it on the coaster. The Ember Mug 2 will warm your beverage from 120 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you like your coffee piping hot or lukewarm, this mug does it all. Number 3. Lever Gear Tool Card Pro. This gadget is the captain of all trades. Well, it is one of the most outstanding products on this list. It will suit the pursuit of 40 tools and comes in the proportion of a small credit card, so you can accept the comfort of this product. You can use the Lever Gear Tool Card Pro as a bottle opener, screwdriver, cable cutter, wrench and numerous other items. It is made up of premium grade stainless steel. It molds just 1 ounce and you can carry it anywhere. Number 4. Dissim Inverted Lighter. A new solution has come to the market for people who have always had trouble using their lighter. The Dissim Lighter features a striking design that lets users use the lighter from a typical upwards to a more problematic downwards positions. Dissim Lighter attributes include the ability to light upside down, long-lasting material and structure, and a lifetime warranty. It has also been devised as a refillable lighter to assure you'll never require another lighter again. During its invention, the most significant factor was utility. Number 5. Auroro Heated Jacket. Auroro is constructed with polyester material and washable apparatus. The jacket comes with a soft shell fabric shell with breathable lining for warmth and comfort. The fabric is wind and water resistant even with the heater turned on. This travel jacket comes with 3 carbon fiber heating components across the chest and rear area and 3 heat sets. The jacket features its own power bank. You cannot employ any other power banks with this product as the connector looks different from the power bank that comes with it, and it is equipped with 4 pockets and a USB port. The jacket claims the battery life is up to 10 hours. Number 6. InCharge 6 Multi-Purpose Charging Cable. A 6-in-1 connecting cable lets you connect between different USB devices. To be exact, InCharge 6 supports USB, Type-C, Lightning and micro USB connections. There are 6 combinations that you can mix and match. InCharge 6 is very lightweight, portable and easy to use. If you have this in your wallet or backpack, there is no need to carry additional cables. InCharge 6 is magnetic, so both ends can be attached together. It features a TPU cable guard which does not let your cable break. The anti-slide system helps the cable stay intact even if you put pressure sideways. If your smartphone supports a USB-C port, you can easily charge different devices via this cable. If your Samsung S22 smartphone has a full charge and your wireless headphone is running on low battery, you can transfer the charge from your phone to your headphones. Number 7. Mars Pro Bluetooth Speaker. This is such a cool desk addition that nearly everyone who glimpses them will have their attention on it. Mars Pro comes in various colors and styles. It features a zinc alloy metal body, so if you carry it, you can deem how luxurious it is. There are 3 foldable legs and lots of LED lights in and around the speaker. This widget comes straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Mars Pro features 6 dynamic RGB lights. The stereo is worthy, but the bass could be sounder. It is definitely better than the Google Nest Hub speakers, but not as good as the Nest Hub Max's speakers. Number 8. Extra Parliament Smart Wallet. As technology evolves, so do the accessories around you. Only a few years ago, men's wallets could only carry cash or cards, and it was easy to lose them. But today, wallets have evolved so smart that they are GPS equipped. Extra Parliament is a smart pouch with a GPS tracker that costs under $100. All of its attributes are devised to streamline the process of accessing your money, beginning with the card holder. The 0.3-inch wide card holder is surprisingly narrow, bend-proof, and has a built-in RFID shield. The cards will be intact whenever you require them, and you'll also be secure from card skimmers. It's also equipped with an easy access function that permits you to see and choose any of your cards with only the push of a button. This wallet has a solar-powered Bluetooth tracker that lets you find your wallet with your phone. Number 9. Smart Form Goggles. These exceptional goggles are perfect for an average swimmer peaking to haul up a couple of lessons, or for the professionals who bear the sport seriously as it is. The Smart Swim Goggles sheer display allows you to retain up with your swiftness, duration, calories, and even heart rate whenever you discover yourself reaching those laps. Number 10. Bose Frames. The Bose Frames are honestly one of the most cold-blooded widgets you can imagine. It is a pair of high-quality headphones entrenched into a pair of preferably stylish sunglasses. The wireless earphones have eventually driven to overflow the market. The Frame's indigenous use of open-ear audio lets you hear your surroundings without any obstacles. And while it's weird to imagine a pair of sunglasses with a fixed battery life, these can stream music for more than 3 hours. Number 11. Oyo Novo Portable Gym. Is weight loss, wellness, or retaining shape your objective while staying at home? Meet Oyo Novo, a private and portable gym you can carry anywhere you go. Oyo Fitness Establishment has a range of incredible fitness products which work magic. Most of their gear is portable and is produced in a heavy-duty, high antagonism to deliver one total body strength. It can be at your residence, office, or even on a holiday or business voyage. Oyo Novo is an ideal gadget for working males with little time to strike the gym. It is small in dimensions, approvingly portable, and fits completely in a backpack. Novo Personal Gym employs Spiral Flex technology to push things even better, furnishing you with 40 pounds equivalent resistance. Number 12. Physics Draft Pour Beer Dispenser. Physics Draft Pour is one of the voguish beer dispensers you can purchase on Amazon. If you are a person who needs a generous hand in serving up your glass of beer, this device could be a perfect match. The dispenser is tight and wireless, making it a nifty and portable device you can carry everywhere. You can use a USB cord or a pair of AA batteries to power the device. The elegant design makes it look fabulous too. Physics beer dispensers are compatible with every kind of can and bottle unless they are too big to fit in. The knob of the gadget's lid helps you direct the beer dispensing and add micro foam if required. Costing around $130 US, this beer dispenser is certainly not cheap, but the deliberations say it's worth what you give. In modern day demand, there is a new widget worth noting daily. As an outcome of the limitless number of amazing gadgets to pick up every year, and to avoid evolving bygone due to the light speed at which technology advances these days, it is essential to deliver a throughout annual update laying out the best gadgets. Whether you're glimpsing to keep things prim and proper through your Zoom meetings, or walking around with the most state-of-the-art smartphone in your pocket, these above listed gadgets might suit you. So, do you think these gadgets mentioned above would help you be more attractive? Comment down below whether these widgets would help you be more productive, or make yourself embrace the kind of satisfied feeling. Until next time we come up with these amazing videos, adios.